Okay, def loop string with for range. str. Okay. So how does a for loop work? So we can say for, and then we have the target variable. So we can say for index in range 0 to the length of str, maybe, right? The length of str. And then can we access with a print statement? Print str with what? With the value of the index. So notice we don't have to like create an index variable explicitly. It's implicitly created for us here with the target variable. Size, I guess we could have created it, but it's here, right? So we save a statement, but nothing's stopping us from saying size equal the length of str, and then we can use size here. I guess I'll leave it like this. So now we have for index in range 0 to size. What size? 3. Is that going to get us what we want? Like, hopefully you remember how the for range loop works as far as like the range piece. If not, maybe let's run it and then let's see what output we get. Let me go here, clear this, and I better maybe make a commit before I run. So let me cut this and let me commit. So I'll go here. Loop string with while. Commit. Yes. Now I can go Control Z, bring that code back. Okay, so we go back to main, and here we can say with for, right? So with for range. Okay. Loop with for range. And let's go ahead and run. So up here, upper right, we hit play. No such. Let me see here. Am I running? Oh, clear. Oh, I think because I thought I cleared, but I didn't clear. So let me clear. So it concatenated everything. Okay. So run it, and we get C++, right? So it worked as it should, right? But we want to understand why it works, right? So let's go ahead and trace this code with its values too. Make sure we understand what's going on. So we go here. We will trace for range with string. Okay. So let's see here, we have this. We have the number of loops. And then we have the value of index. And then we have the value of size. And then we have str index. On the first loop, index is what? 0. So it's 0. Size is, so str equal to C++, okay? So size is 3. And we have str at index. So here we say, oh, so you want str at index 0, that's C. Second iteration, although we don't increment index explicitly, the for loop takes care of that for us, right? Remember that magic loop takes care of a lot of the dirty work for us. So 1, this one's still 3, And now we say str1, and that is plus. Loop 3, for loop automatically increments index from 1 to 2. We have 3, and then str at index 2 plus, right? And then it runs out of ranges, right? So because we're saying from 0 to size. So remember how ranges work? Ranges always go from the max range minus 1. So our max range is size 3, so 3 minus 1, 2, so it'll only go up to 2, and it went up to index 2. So that's how that's happening. The for loop takes care of all that behind the scenes for us. We don't have to worry about setting up the incrementer, meaning we don't have to say like index plus equals 1. Behind the scenes, the for range loop is taking care of that for us. Questions here? Okay, so no questions. So that was an example with a for range. So let me stop and then we'll continue. Okay, so